Okay, welcome back. This is Motec. I'm Noel Moses Mwadende. In this video, we are going to learn about data preprocessing in machine learning. So, before doing data preprocessing in machine learning, let's know what is data preprocessing. Data preprocessing is the transformation of data from one data type to another. So data are being transformed from one type to another. There are several methods for doing data preprocessing, but for the time being, we'll use label encoder, in which we will transform our data from categorical to numeric. I'll tell you why are we doing after explaining the meaning of data preprocessing. As I have said that we transform data from one data type, data set. We transform data set from one data type to another. Let's say we transform our data set from string to numeric. That's the meaning. So why are we doing data preprocessing? A algorithm in machine learning understand the data which are present in numeric. This algorithm will not understand data which are object or string data. So for the purpose of using, or for before doing machine learning, or you're using machine learning algorithm, you should transform your data to numeric. And this is what we are calling data preprocessing. In the last video, we saw how to load our dataset on Jupyter Notebook, and this we are going to learn data preprocessing. If you come at this folder which we are doing project, you can see now another data set is added. The first breast cancer, we used it to load our data set. I was showing you on how you can load your data set on Jupyter Notebook. I can click it, you can see. So this data set have data which are of int type. Let's open another. So you can see this dataset have data which are object. So what we should do is to transform this data which is of object to int. We should transform data from object to numeric. So that's it. That is what we should do. So here let's open new Jupyter Notebook. So we'll do the same procedure as we did before. So first thing what we'll do is to load our data which are of object type. They are not yet to be pre-processed. So let's do the same procedure as we did in last video. Import numpy as np, import pandas as pd, from pandas import read csv. So file name, the name of the file is called I've told you that we'll use this file. So you can click here and copy the name of file. You can copy the name of file. You can copy the name of file, which is, yeah, that's the name of file. So data is equal to read CSV. Then you should pass the name of the file, yeah, data dot head this way, put 5. Here you can put comment that read data as pandas data frame. Yes, show first 5 rows. So that's it. You can learn. So I hope you have seen that our data is of type object. So we should transform from object to int or integer. So to see the type of our dataset, type data, the types this way, then you can learn. Now you can see that our data are of type object. So the first step is to transform from object to int by using label encoder, as I've said before. So we'll use a label encoder for transforming them to integer or to type int. So add the cell below. So we'll create a Python function for simplifying this task of transforming our data from object to integer. So create function def, let's call it categorical transform, categorical transform this way, then pass data, put semicolon, and here you can put comment that this is function for doing or performing, let's use performing, for performing data preprocessing, data preprocessing. So as I told you before that we'll use label encoder. Oh, first here you can name here data preprocessing, data preprocessing, data preprocessing. So here you can do like, you can write create label encoder, create label encoder. So I'll say LA stands for label encoder. So LE standing for label encoder. So here create label encoder object, let's say create label encoder object. So here we'll do like this, LA is equal to preprocessing dot label encoder. LE preprocessing label encoder this way, then data dot age is equal to LE dot fit transform then data dot age. As you can see here that age is our first column, so you can do the same. So to simplify this, let's do one thing, copying and pasting. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So copy this 9 times. Copy it 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So age is already done. This is the first column to be transformed. This is age. So the second column is menopause. So copy here. This is the simple trick I'm giving you. So you can remove this, you can paste, and here you can remove this, you can paste. So the third column is tumor size. So you can remove this, and here you can replace it. So we have done 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. The fourth column is envy node. So press here envy node, and here paste it envy node. The next column need to be transformed is node caps. So transform it node caps. After node caps, we should do this. Copy this del merge. Do like this. Yes, do like this. Del merge. The next column is the breast. So copy breast. Copy breast. Copy breast. Yes. Then copy breast quad. These are the diagnoses for breast cancer. Copy it, and here copy it. I hope everything is right. So the next column is irradiant. So remove this, copy. Also here you should copy it. The last column is class. Copy class. You should copy class, and here copy class. So far we are done. We are done. Now you can see these are our columns: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Age, menopause, stomachizing, vonodal, capsular, breast quad, iridiate, and class. So to learn this is okay. So as I've said that this is Python function. So copy it to call, then paste it like that way. Remove this and you should learn. Oh, there is something. Name preprocessing is not defined. Oh, one mistake we did, we forgot to import something for preprocessing it. For preprocessing, I mean for preprocessing our data. In machine learning, there is something called preprocessing. So we should import it from sklearn. We should import preprocessing. Let's do it. That's why it is giving this error. We should import it. So here we can import it. Let's say we can do here, we can import it. Let's import here from sklearn import preprocessing. Import preprocessing from sklearn import preprocessing. I hope it should be like that way. So preprocessing is successfully imported. Yes, let's learn. Now we are right. So you can see first five rows data dot head to verify that is your data set have changed your. Now you can see this is what is called the data preprocessing. We have transformed data from object. Here we had data in project in in object. Now we have successfully changed it from object to string, from object to numeric. To see or to verify if your data type is changed, you can write d types like this way. Run. Now you can see data is of type int. So this is how to do data pre-processing. And one thing I want to tell you is that All what I'm doing or all files I'm using, I'll upload at Motech GitHub account, which is called the Motech store. So don't worry. But if you have failed or if you don't understand anything, you can ask a question, put comment below, then I'll I'll give you answer. So now we have two, notebook Jupyter. The first Jupyter notebook was for loading dataset. I was I was teaching you on how you can load your dataset, and the second notebook Jupyter is to do data preprocessing. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it takes us much resource in terms of energy, money, uh, and time to bring this service for you. I'm Moses Noel Modende, and this is Motech. Goodbye. Do not miss the next video in which we'll start to learn machine learning algorithm one to another. Thank you. Goodbye.